It is time now for a better food, and the meals at one restaurant are not only visually stunning, they're incredibly delicious.
We're talking about the art of yum in Waterbury. Chef and founder Michon Arrington is here to tell us more about one of his favorite recipes. So nice to see you.
Thanks for having me.
It is just a delight.
Thank you.
If we were to say that in French, it would be Michon.
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 Yeah,
So
definitely.
the art of yum, because you say your art form has to do with creating things that are yummy.
Of course, of course.
And they're beautiful.
So, thank you. I figured when I came up with the name, The Art of Yum, I honestly believe it's one of my art forms. So just like you paint or you dance or make music, I make food.
You make food.
That is
I think you're dead on with this, because cooking is an art. It's an art form.
Definitely.
And if you make it look really pretty in the days of Instagram, that's what everyone likes to take pictures of. So you're down in Waterbury and you have all these different things, which we're going to show some. This is the outside.
Yeah.
How long have you been in business?
So we've been the brick and mortar in Waterbury for 2 years.
Oh,
but
great.
We've been doing catering and meal plan services for about 8 years now.
Oh, wow. So you've been around.
Look at that. So that's almost like a little painting underneath.
Definitely.
There you go.
Are you an artist other than chefery?
I am.
I can sense that. Yeah.
Definitely.
What's your medium? Do you paint or?
I paint and also play about 4 instruments as well.
Really?
Yeah, definitely.
What instruments?
Piano, guitar.
Oh, you are talented.
Yeah, I try.
A chefery and talented as well.
Yeah. So this is, what are we making today?
So today we're finally opening up for dinner come mid-October.
Oh, yum.
So I figured.
Yum. That's the art.
Exactly. On a day like today, kind of rainy, there's nothing better than showing one of our comfort food items that'll be on the menu. So it's a smoked creamy grits with a TAOI salmon. That's sauteed, and it's topped with fried arugula pork belly slurry.
Now, I don't really typically see grits on the menus up here in the north. What is grits?
Grits is like a cornmeal. A lot of people like it with sugar, or some people like it more with cheese.
Okay.
I like to keep it nice and thick and creamy. I figure that's the best way to go. It's filling.
I think it looks delicious and it smells delicious.
And I see
Thank
you
you.
put this on a kind of like a wooden chopping block. I've seen this.
Yes.
Cheese boards are big. Even the way the food is now, just what you're putting it on matters.
Exactly. We do plates very sparingly at the restaurant. We like to glass, pieces of wood, metal, everything.
So you don't know what you're gonna get?
Yes, the art is not only the food, it's also the plate that we
the plate itself.
So you
on.
plated the grits and you made them very round. Did you use a mold for that?
I did. Actually, I cheated with one of these right here.
A ramekin?
Yes, a little ramekin. Drop it down and form it with your hands. Also, and then after that, pretty much just take the salmon here.
Now, that's a beautiful piece of
Right
salmon.
on top.
I almost thought it was
Thank you.
chicken and less
Of
it was the color.
course. Nice wild caught. And
What
also,
is that?
This is the fried arugula pork belly slurry.
I made that last night at my house.
Of course.
So
Actually, I
there's
took it from
corn
the
and
kitchen.
pork belly and arugula, and you fry it up?
Yes, fry it up, and I mix it with my sauce called michi sauce, which I made very popular at ESPN. And then our TAOI sauce is a mixture of our 3 chefs' classic sauces. So mine is michi. Go for it.
Oh my God!
Work. Thank you. I appreciate it. And then we have my partner, Chef Dante, his Dante sauce.
Dante sauce. We got Michon sauce. Dante sauce. We got all the different types of sauces.
And then Chef Big James rub right on top.
A special rub. That definitely seems like a little bit of a southern influence to the food. Is that?
Definitely.
Do you have some family roots from the South?
I do from Kentucky. But honestly, there's 3 of us. It's Dante, James, myself.
Yeah.
We all we did the different forms of culinary arts. So we have a little French, a little Asian, a little Southern, a little Cajun. We all put it together for a great American fusion.
Because you got a little French, a little Asian. I got a little hungry.
There you go. Perfect.
And you want something yummy. So TAOY, the art of yum. You're going to want to go visit in Waterbury. Let's just give this a little try here. It looks delicious.
I'm sorry, we're totally just.
Go for it. And as my dad said, who was the host with the most, up with the thumb, the art of
Yum.
So good. Yum.
Yum. Delicious.
Yum. And pretty.
Perfect.
Love it.
Thank you.
Oh.
Right, so
Do we need reservations if we want to come?
Actually, for dinner, yes.
Okay.
The people have been begging and asking for us to finally open, so we've listened. So come mid-October, go to the website, theartofyum.com. make your reservations there, or give us a call.
Okay.
Or if you'd like to get more information, follow us on Instagram at The Art of Yum.
Thank you, Michon. It's nice to meet you. All right, be sure to check out The Art of Yum on Grand Street in Waterbury.
And again, you can visit the website for more information or a reservation. It's theartofyum.com.